we're now here in Han Market here in Da Nang. It is drizzling, so mind you, there'll be a lot of people here. Since all the people went here because you cannot go to the beach as of the moment because of the rain. And of course, mind you, with all of our jackets and hats. So we'll try to walk around and see what we can get from this market. A lot of delicacies, a lot of shopping. So let's have a quick look. So again, as I mentioned earlier, it is quite crowded. A lot of people are here because it is drizzling outside, so we can't go to the beach as much, or let's say do a bit of sightseeing to the museums, or even at the Big Buddha. So I went here quite early, but still there's a lot of people. So the first floor is mainly for delicacies and for food. The second floor is pretty much for textiles, clothes and shoes. So we'll do a bit of a walk around, perhaps not the whole place since there is really a lot of people. It's quite hard to maneuver.
15만 동?
Yeah. As far as I know, you can also have your outdye or clothes made here. From what I've heard, it just takes them about an hour for them to, you know, have your clothes done. So just where you can have it custom made. Cashmere's. They do have a couple of jackets as well here. So pretty much very straightforward. Again, the first floor is for food, and then the second part would be here for clothing, shoes. So let's try to make another walk around to the other side before we go down. So if in the Philippines, if you've already been to Manila, the divisoria area, it's kind of like that. The thing is, it has really, really squeezed hallways. So that's the thing with this. It has very, very constricted hallways. If there's so much people, it's really quite hard to walk around. People would normally like stop you where you're walking.
난 미중. Okay, so pretty much we'll just go down. It's really quite hard to maneuver upstairs. A lot of people shopping. So So right now we're on the first floor. There's a lot of novelty items. There are bags, there are fruits. Can you check how much the durian is? Okay. So they also have durian over here.
How much per durian?
200
per kilo, or
that one, that cup. This one, 200. Okay, 200. So that's 200k. So if you're going to think about it, 200k is about 450 or 500 pesos, something like that in between.
400 something, right?
Yeah,
So for that, to be honest with you, as a person who eats durian quite a lot, that is quite expensive for that size, because normally I do buy my durian fresh, and for that amount and different things, we pretty much all already have the whole fruit with the person that I always buy my fruits from. So there's a lot of novelty items as well, native items. But if ever you're very much keen into candy, because I do know here in Vietnam, candies are a big thing. They have a lot of kinds. I have not tasted any of them. That's just the thing. So I really cannot have, a suggestion as to what you buy. But as far as I know, one of the things on our list is perhaps get a coconut coffee, because they said it's really good. So that's just one thing that I'm looking forward to. They also have these Chinese things, bracelets and souvenirs. I think they also plus them, I don't know, because they have those singing bowls over there. So we're already at the middle part, which is going to be very, very crowded. I'll try to go to a different direction, a place where we really have not gone to. But yeah, pretty much a lot of novelty and a lot of snacks. So I think we'll try to maneuver and go to a place. Let's try to check on the food over there, because I think there's food kiosks over here. I'll go and try to have a look if there's something that we can eat for a snack. There are quite a lot. Yep, there is a place for you to eat. I think they would have some shakes and all that. I'm not really 100% sure on what to get, but yeah. So you can pretty much have a snack here. It's quite crowded, so you just need to make sure that you know what you want to get when you are here. Let's just perhaps go to that exit for a moment so we can have a bit of a cool breeze and rest up a bit before we go back and battle with the rest of the people that are shopping inside. Yeah, I think it's still a bit drizzling. As you noticed, it is quite drizzling. Hi, so I think that is that for this market. Again, it's hand market here in Da Nang. It is not as big as the one in Ho Chi Minh City, the one where everybody used to go. I think it's called Ben Thanh Market. It's not as big as that, but it is really extremely crowded. So perhaps it's just a time because it's raining and a lot of tourists are here to buy all of the goods. But pretty much it's okay. The prices are still okay. And the quality is still okay. But I would really want to have some snack here. So I think we have to cut this one off so we can have a snack and just try to purchase some food. And I think I'm very much interested in getting a avocado shake. So we'll see how we go. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Right.